we'll guide you through how to boost volume in Windows 11. The very first step is to simply increase the volume from taskbar, click the volume icon on the right side of the taskbar, and adjust the slider to the maximum level. Ensure the volume isn't muted by checking if the speaker icon has a red cross. If it does, click it to unmute. Now we can also use the Windows built-in volume mixer for app-specific settings. Right-click the volume icon and select Open Volume Mixer. From these settings, adjust the volume sliders for individual apps to ensure none are set too low. If you want more, let's do some tweaks in Windows settings. Again, right-click on the volume icon and select Sound Settings. Go to the Output section, select your default audio device, and under Advanced Settings, ensure it is not turned off. You can also enable the Windows Sonic of headphones if you are using stereo headsets. This balances audio levels and can make sounds appear louder. Now you can click on this button to test your audio. If you want to increase the volume more to get a better bass and loudness from your speakers, just go to your search bar and type the control panel to open it. From here, select Hardware and Sound and click on Sound. The new pop-up window will appear from this tab. Choose your default or preferred output device and open Properties. Go to the Enhancements tab and enable all of these options. Now simply apply and test it again from this button right here. You can also increase the decibels of your speakers from these settings, just click to open it. Only slightly increase the boost levels and press OK. Apply again, click OK to save the settings. Now you will surely have more sound coming out of your speakers or headphones. This is super useful to do for speakers with low volume. If none of these work for you, I will suggest you to install a third-party application, Voicemeeter. Just go to the official website of VB Audio, select Voicemeeter from here. Download from this orange button right here. After downloading, install the application. After installation, it will also add its audio driver, and you may have to restart your PC. Select the audio driver by clicking on your volume icon, and again click on this settings option to choose the audio driver. Now open the Voicemeeter and choose your preferred output device in this option right here. Increase the volume from this slider, and you are good to go.